Hey guys, it's Cary from Byrider Madison. I just wanted to make a video for you guys, just going over some winter safety, driving tips, just to kind of help you out with all this snow, especially we've just gotten recently. First and foremost, when it comes to winter driving, you want to make sure you're prepared in the sense of your vehicle being prepared. So checking things like your brakes, your tires. Obviously, if you're not able to control your vehicle or stop properly, that's going to be a big issue. So you want to make sure that your vehicle is prepared for the winter months. Make sure you got windshield wiper fluid. Make sure your wipers are good as well. When it comes to driving in the snow in general, it's always a good idea to take your time. If there's a big snowstorm like today, make sure you're taking your time on those roads. If you're running late perpetually, I know some of us are, but make sure you're giving yourself enough time to make it where you need to go. Don't speed. Take caution when it comes to driving on those roadways, especially if they're slick, snow covered, things like that. When braking in the winter months, when there's snow and all that on the ground, you want to make sure you're pumping your brakes. Never slam on your brakes because that'll cause you to skid. Always pump your brakes as well. And also, God forbid anything were to happen, make sure you have certain things in your vehicle in case you were to get into an accident and you were in your vehicle for an extended period of time. Things like blankets, boots, sweaters, extra coats, hats, gloves. And also, don't want to get left stranded on the side of the road or in a parking lot somewhere. Make sure you have a jump pack or jumper cables too. So, they're just a few things to consider when driving in the winter, especially in Wisconsin. Cary from Byrider. Stay safe out there.